purchased a new cymbal pack for the studio here. This is a studio pack specifically from Sweetwater Music. I'm going to open this up, see what they look like. Hi-hat bottom here. Very nice finish, nice and bright. Hi-hat top. 16-inch thin crash. A very large 18-inch fast crash. Ah, yeah. Love it. Look at that. K-Series. But this is what you get from Sweetwater. It's an exclusive pack and it's for recording specifically. And it's a pretty good price too. Okay, so this is what the cymbal pack looks like on the drum set. We have our new beat hi-hats there. Then we have our fast crash 18-inch, custom organic ride 21-inch right here, and the thin crash right here, all part of the studio pack at Sweetwater. And it is looking pretty sweet to me.